Hey, you. Yes, you who are grinding right now, who are the person who take responsibility for their lives, the people who don't need other people to tell them what to do, but they would do and make their life to the best that they can. The people who make their lives the masterpieces of them. I know, maybe right now you are suffering from the obstacles. Maybe you hit a wall, you hit a dead end, but I want you to know, maybe you think that you are lonely, you don't have anyone to rely on. Yeah, that's true. You don't have anyone to rely on, but you have to rely on yourself. Stand on your knees, bro. You can do it. Maybe you think that you can't, but the truth is, we can learn, we can fail, we can stand again. Fail again, stand again. Don't let the failure dictate you. Be the person who dictates their own rights. I want you to know, even though you think you're lonely, you don't have anyone who supports you, but I'm the one person who are on the same journey as you, who share you, even though we've never met each other. I want you to know that you can do it. Even though you're facing the obstacles, you can do it. Trust me. I believe in you. Let's move. Let's fucking kill it.